Hi everyone, welcome back to the lookbook. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Itishaa. I really hope that you enjoy watching my video and also subscribe to my channel. So today is 28th of April, the day I'm filming, and today is my birthday. I'm 22 years old and yes, I'm one of those few lucky people who are celebrating their birthdays in quarantine. So I'm in my birthday outfit and I have straightened my hair and I really wanted to put on some makeup and I guess do something fun. I'm not going out anywhere but doing something here in my house. So I'll talk you through that as I do my makeup. So let's get started. So I'm just going to do a soft glam daytime look and this is not a makeup tutorial. So I'll just be mentioning all the products I've used in the description box down below. So don't forget to check that out. I just want to sit here and chat with you guys about my day and how you guys are doing in this quarantine time. So basically what I have planned for today is I watched a few how to take your own pictures at home, like on your terrace or with whatever wall background you have. Like I watched quite a few of those videos and quite interesting ones there, like really some amazing ideas, and I really hope that my pictures do turn out that way. I have never taken outfit pictures on my own actually. I always had my group of friends who took really amazing pictures, like you take mine, I'll take yours, and some really nice group pictures. I miss them, I really miss them this time. So this January I wasn't very excited about my birthday. I just finished my 4th year in college and I was moving to Hyderabad to start my new job, and I was like, well, my mama and papa won't be with me, and also my college friends who are legit like family. Like I have lived in a hostel with them for 4 years. I won't even have them to celebrate my birthday with. So I was like, well, it's going to be kind of a flop. I wasn't very excited about it. But then because of the pandemic situation, I had to come back home and work from home. So in a way, this birthday is way better than what I had in my mind. Mama baked a cake for me and at 12 o'clock today we had a little cake cutting sesh, Mama, Papa and then my sister and her husband on a video call. So yeah, it was kind of great. So for today, like I said, I have an indoor photo shoot planned and I hope I get some good pictures because I'm so used to my friends clicking some really amazing pictures, and like I will be disappointed if I don't get something good. I watched quite a few videos on indoor photography by this point, so let's see if I do manage to get something good. So I'll have them up on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is lookbook by Itishaa, so please don't forget to check me out there and you'll know for yourself if I did get some good pictures. By the way, I'm wearing a burgundy colored jumpsuit. I have never worn jumpsuits. This is my first one. I was really excited for this to be my, well, it is my birthday outfit, but to get some golden hour pictures when I'm out with my girlfriends. So let's see what I can manage. And the fitting and everything is amazing. I did have to get it altered on the length, but it's an amazing outfit and it's really sad that I'm not able to wear it out. Just adding a little bit of color. I love warm tones. Warm tones are my thing. If you go to my Instagram feed and just scroll, that is all you're going to find. Like apart from those few like really crazy colorful looks, this is what I do. Warm tones. I think these tones suit me a lot. They go with any outfit and they complement my skin tone. They look really like soft and blown out in pictures. These past 2 weeks all my friends have sent me all those memes you get on birthdays during quarantine, and that is how I got most of my birthday wishes. They're like have a quarantine blast, have a happy quarantine birthday. This looks way more orange than I wanted it to. Yeah, that's orange. Need to go to browns. I'm not doing anything specific, just changing that really orangish tone to brown. Yeah, that looks more like brown. Mama has made some really amazing food today. Like there's custard, there's chaat, mango shake. Once I get this done, I'm just going to eat. I think the lower lash line always ties in the look together. I love a really blown out lower lash line. See, it looks way more cohesive than it did a second ago without this blown out lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply some kajal and mascara. Now the reason I'm so hell-bent on getting a really nice picture is because maybe it was some of my friend's 22nd birthday and I was adding her picture to my Instagram status, and I was selecting a song for you know, we have that Instagram feature where we can add a background music to any of our status. I was like, if it was my birthday, my 22nd birthday, I'd really like to have like a solo picture on my status with Taylor Swift's 22 song on the background. So that is what I want. Like, I just want one good picture so that I can have it on my Instagram status with 22 from Taylor Swift playing in the background. Now for lipstick, actually I really wanted to with this outfit I wanted to wear Brunette 20 from Face's Ultime Pro range, but this I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm putting on this shade Scandalous from their Ultime Pro HD range. So that's it guys, I'm all set for my indoor photo shoot. Wish me luck. I really hope that I get some really bomb pictures, and you will know if you follow me on Instagram if I did. So don't forget to check me out there. My Instagram handle is lookbook by Itishaa. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. So stay home, stay safe, bye.